everyone, good morning. So, his God doesn't allow us to see everything because He got something much better for us na mas nakaka-excite. Na merong mas exciting part sa buhay natin, yung mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita because God has much more better plan for us. Kahit nga yung mga bagay na nire-remove ni God sa buhay natin, hindi niya inalis yun ng basa-basa lang. Because God have something better to replace it. And napakabait ng Diyos natin. Kasi laging may exciting part yung buhay natin. That's why God give us the vision. All we have to do is to trust God with the visions that God gave to us. Even nga, when we pray, we feel sometimes that God doesn't answer the prayer that we pray. But He's up there, He's listening. He just got something better for us. Even we feel that He didn't do something for us. But behind the scene, there is more vigor awaiting for us. And all we have to do is to trust Him and excite yourself because they're always much more better. Kapag may inalis siya sa buhay mo, merong kapalit yun na mas maganda. Parang God says, see, I am doing a new things. New spring up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in wilderness and streams in the waterland. That's Isaiah 43:19. So He's doing something for us. And the vision, that's one of the greatest gifts God given to us. Remember that God is the Lord, your God, the one who takes hold of your hand and says, don't be afraid, I am helping you. That's Isaiah 14:13. So, whatever the situation that we have right now, even we don't see the future, let's hold the hands of God. Nakakatakot kasi hindi natin nakikita yung pwede mangyari sa future. Lalo na kapag hindi natin na may mga bagay-bagay na decision making tayo na naapektuhan para makita natin, ma-foresee natin yung future. But in terms of that situations that you have to hold the hands of God and trust Him. Because He made things up for you. And that is the exciting part. Minsan din niya hinahayaan na makita mo lahat. Kasi gusto niya mag-trust ka sa Kanya. That He's under control of everything sa buhay natin. Hope this simple motivational talk, you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.